Welcome back. In this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to introduce your bank details and wallet details into the account, into your PO. As well, I'm going to show you how to open a Bitcoin account. So let's log in into our PO as usual. So it's the email account you created already, you have it. Let's choose SMS code. Next step. So we are opening our SMS and introducing that code, number 9. Log in. Here we are. Now, in order to put your bank details or another wallet that you have, like Perfect Money, Bitcoin, or anything else, first of all, go to Accounts. Now, you don't have any account, isn't it? So we need to add one. Click on Add. Here's a window that will appear. So let me show you first how to introduce a simple bank account first. So type any name that you want, for example, my bank account. Here, for example, introduce the IFSC code. It will show you straight away other bank in the case if your bank is not in the list of PO yet. Right? Just type it till the end, C. Right. So now enter your bank card number. You enter your bank card number. I'm gonna enter mine, for example. As you see, it's written bank card number is entered incorrectly. So what you have to do, because in different countries the number is different, so introduce as many zeros as you need in order to have 16 digits here. So I introduced already 8 numbers. I have to introduce another 8. Just 0 you can put. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No. It should go already. Alright. So here, account number. So here just type as many zeros as you need in order to have it completely fine, so that the program recognizes it. I'm gonna type again the account number here. Two, 3. Yeah, that's enough. So type your last name. First is last name, not first name. Yeah. Then first name. And if you have any middle name, type it in. If you don't, just leave it. Now, here you can see there are other details, full beneficiary bank details below. So type in like SWIFT code, IBAN code, type any and every information that you need in order for a participant to be able to send you the money. If, for example, he will be from other country. So you need to type everything for him to be able to do that. So let's type again from the start. Beneficiary bank, let's say HSBC. Beneficiary name, Jason Susanna. Right, beneficiary account number. So again, let's just copy it and paste it there so we don't lose time. You can do the same. IBAN. So IBAN, you can find it, for example, if you have letters from the bank sent to your home, like bank statements, you will have it right on the top of a page, your IBAN and SWIFT. Otherwise, you can find it as well in your internet banking if you have. If you don't, just call your personal bank and ask them all the details. They'll be happy to help you out with that. So IBAN, I'm typing. One zero 6 817. It can be quite long, and then actually it comes again the account number, then SWIFT or BIC, right, local bank code, so my local bank code coincides actually with this number, so I'm gonna just copy it and paste it again. And then bank address, it's not that necessary, you can type in the bank address. As well, you can introduce any additional information that you want for your sender. For example, send it as a gift, or like type it. Yeah, cool. And now enter your code number 10. Again, it's for the security. 32375. Great. And save it. Just check one more time that everything is fine. And then click save. Okay. We would need to refresh now. Let's introduce the 11th number. I guess it will receive it as correct. 78518. Cool. Now you have it saved. Right, you can see it right here. If in any time in the future you want to change something, or you understood you introduced something wrong, just click on it, click edit, and it will appear again, and you can do any change you want. Yeah, we don't need to make any changes. I'll click cancel. Now let's add, by the way, you can add as many accounts as you want for your comfort. Now let's add a Bitcoin account. So for a Bitcoin account, you need to have a Bitcoin address. In order to do that, let me show you how to open a Bitcoin wallet. So go to blockchain.info right here. As soon as you're on the website, click on wallet. Start a new wallet. It's very easy to open a Bitcoin account. Very easy to use as well. Very comfortable and fast. So let's introduce again our email. Right, again a password. Introduce a difficult one, as difficult as you can. Capital letters, numbers. Now introduce a CAPTCHA. AC5E3. Click continue. The CAPTCHA was incorrect. Okay, let's introduce it again. YW7N. Okay, let's continue. Now it's written that our new wallet is successfully saved, this is a very important thing. Wallet recovery mnemonic. What does it mean? It's written here, your wallet has been created successfully. If you forget the details, the phrase below can be used to recover everything. So for example, you forgot the password. If usually it's enough for you to type again your email account and the password recovery will be sent to your email, in this case with blockchain is not the same. So what I would suggest you and recommend you is to write down these words right here. Write it down on a paper. Don't write it down in your computer, in your email, nowhere there. You can print it out as well if you have a possibility, but save it somewhere. This will help you in the future in case if you forget the password. So after you make sure that you saved this information, click continue. Okay, now what we should do is we should go back to our email account and click on verification. For this again we're going to google.com. Let's introduce our email account. Sign in. Here it is downloading. We should have email from blockchain anytime soon. Yeah, here we go. It's already there, waiting for us. So click on it. So we have a login link here. Anytime in the future when you will want to log in into your account, into your blockchain account, you should use this link. And verification link. Let's click on verification link. In this case, our account will be fully working. Great, it is done. So let's get back. Here we are. This is verification, the login link that is in our wallet as well, right here. So save it somewhere, make sure it is there. You see this number here? Let's go to our wallet. It's right here. This is your identifier. So let's introduce the password that you just introduced now, that you created for this account, and open wallet. Here we go. So as you see right here is your Bitcoin address. So anytime when you want somebody to send you Bitcoins, just give him this address. It's very comfortable. You can send money, you can receive money through this wallet. But let's get back to our personal office. So in order to do that, again, type account name, whatever you want. For example, my Bitcoin. Here, introduce as big code, introduce BTC. Yeah, BTC Bitcoin. And next, what you have to do is just copy this Bitcoin address, go back to your personal accounts, and introduce it as your account number right there. Cool. Next, just type your name again, last name, and first name. Cool. Now introduce your 12 code in this case. 17835. Save. Again, we have to enter the next number. Sometimes when we are keeping the page too long open, it will automatically refresh and it will require the next number. So my 13 number is 77010. Save. Yep. Cool, now we have two accounts, as you see. So anytime in the future you can receive money or send money out of any of these two accounts. Now let me show you how to provide help. In order to provide help, you have to go back to your desktop. Click on Want to provide assistance. So here it's offered for you. I read the warning and fully understand all the risks. I make decision to participate in MMM, being of sound and mind memory. Yeah, we spoke about the warnings. You can go back and read again about the warnings on our website. Click next. Here, now choose whatever account you want to send money to, whatever is comfortable for you. So there is Perfect Money, Bitcoin, the Bitcoin we have, OKPay, Payza, and Avabank. So you can choose whatever you want out of this list. It could be Bitcoin or Avabank. If, for example, you have cash and you don't really care or mind where to send, for example, to some bank, locally or internationally, just click on it. It's important as well to remind that you should read the warning and you should understand this is a charity program. This is a national, international network of people who help each other. There's no shares that you buy. There's no business conducted here, nothing like that. So it's just a network of people helping each other. And the Mavro that we are going to buy right now, for example, this is like an index of your help to the society. So obviously the more money you give to others, the more you help the society, the more important you are. So that's it. It's important to understand that. You have money, you want to help somebody. I just feel like helping, so I'm helping. Okay, click next. Then I can count that somebody else will help me. Luckily. But if everybody will be conscious, it's very possible. I help somebody, somebody else helps me. So here is the deposit amount. How much do you want to deposit? As well, let me show you. Let's get back. Here, the help currency. The help currency will be different depending on the country you are. It will usually be in your currency. So there's nothing much that I can choose, but if you want to try, click and see whatever possibilities and options you have. So next. Right now, as you see, it's British pounds that I can help with. So let's say I want to help with 50 British pounds. Next, here are 3 types of deposits you can do right now at this moment. At the moment you'll watch a video, there might be other types of deposits. Right now, these are the 3 types that we have. So, grow for 30% per month. It means the money that you will put here will grow 30% per month, and you can take them out anytime you want. So, after a week, 2 weeks, a month, doesn't matter, 6 months, you can take them anytime with the interest accrued as well. So whenever you decided for the amount, click select. Now you see leftover distribution. This 50 pounds you can put in any of these deposit types. So for example, I want to put for 30% 20 pounds. 3 months deposit 50%. So it means you're helping somebody with those money and you're not gonna ask for help during 3 months. Only after 3 months you can ask for help, and it will be also with interest, with 50% on top. And 50% is going to be accrued monthly. So in 1 month you're going to have 150, in 2 months you're going to have 150 plus half of it, which is 75, so it will be 225, and so on. So the interest will be compounded every month. This is important to know. If you want to take the money out, for example, it's something urgent and you need to take it before 3 months, you can take whatever you deposited, which is, for example, 20, whatever you helped with, but not more than that. You're not going to have any percentage. As well, there is 50% one time, which means that you can get 50% without any time limit. So you can take it out anytime you want as 30%, and you can use it just once. So you can use it first time, or you can use it the second time. When you help somebody, it doesn't matter. So if we're going to put money here right now, it means you're not going to be able to use it again. But let's not put it here. Let's try to use it some other time. Let's put here, for example, 30 on a 3 months deposit. Yeah. So when you've done whatever you wanted, just check again what you have introduced, all the details. And when you're sure you've done whatever you wanted, click on next. So now they're asking you again, confirm authenticity of data entered. So we entered 50 British pounds with 20 pounds on 30%, 30 pounds on 50% on 3 months. So again, attention, read everything carefully what is written here, be conscious, and click next. Your request was added, great. So now you can see here on your desktop, request to give help with a number, your name, the amount you want to give help, the date, and the status is in a queue for dispatcher. Dispatcher is a program that puts in contact people, the participants from the MMM system. So it will put you in contact with the one who needs help, and it will give you the details, and I'll show you how to deal with it next. So right now I'm gonna start the video, and as soon as I will get the details with the participant I need to send the money to, I will start the video tutorial again.